Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you solar outdoor Wi-Fi battery camera. Let's go ahead and look at the features. It is full HD camera. It has motion detection, AI analysis, Wi-Fi connection, two-way audio, multi-user sharing, full color night vision, battery powered, and solar panel. There is also activity zone. Let's go ahead and open what's inside. When you first open it, you can see the mounting tools. It's guiding you how to mount. And then we have the user manual. And 24-hour warning, video surveillance. And here is the solar panel. It's very small. I liked it. And USB-C charging cable. And also other mounting tools, one for solar panel, one for the camera. And here's the camera. Go ahead and take it out. Here is the camera. The LED is camera, sensor, and speaker. And let's go ahead and look at this area. SD card, USB-C area, and program, and turn on and off. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. Let me go ahead and install the application right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. And App Store. I'm gonna go ahead and create the account and then come back. Alright, let's go ahead and add the device. Continue, allow. And this is smart camera. Continue, next. Got it. Right now I'm gonna show the QR code. Let's see. Now it's trying to connect. I heard the prompt. And wait a little bit to connect. And we're gonna see the quality.
Connection succeeded.
Connection is good, and let's see. You see, everything is good. Let's go ahead and look at the sound also. Hello, hello. What about the two-way audio talk? Hello. Continue. Hello. Hello. And right now it's HD mode, and this is SD. HD, you can see the sharpness. Cloud storage. PIR, it's low. Night vision mode, basic device mode. You can do the flip screen, anti-flicker, one-way communication. You can see it's getting the video as soon as possible. You can do the full screen, and also you can take a picture or record a video, and you can stop it and watch it. As I said, this is solar panel. We're just gonna put it like that. Then we put it under the sun. When you look at it, it's charging right now. Let me take it outside and see. You can also share the device right there and add sharing. You can only put the account and then that's it. The other person can use it. When you look at it, it can detect me and it has siren mode. Let's go ahead. Alright. Let's go ahead and look at the other things. Anti-flicker, device volume, steam color, dark mode, night mode, and yep. It can work with Alexa and Google Assistant. Let's go ahead and look at it outside, how it's working. Now you can see real time, and here is the quality. When you look at it, it's awesome. Let me go ahead and walk. You can also see it's very wide angle right there, and almost it's getting everywhere. See. This is the night one. When you look at it, it's night vision mode. It's coming. And let's go ahead and make it full screen right there. And you can see it sees me very well. Night mode, full color mode, and see the light. It's also very bright. You can see siren. Let's turn it off. Basically, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.